Today on Mag's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious, tender, juicy, bacon-flavored chuck-eyed steak and eggs for breakfast. So let's get started. Alright, and for the steak that we're using for breakfast today is a chuck-eye steak. It's a Angus chuck-eye steak, and let me see if I can show you the label. They're about 8 ounces each, and they're going to be really tender and juicy when we're done, and they're going to be flavored with a nice bacon fat bacon grease, right? That adds an extra depth of really good flavor. Alright, let me get this out of the package and I'll bring you back. Alright, here's our Angus chuck-eye steaks right out of the package, and they both look really good, but we're going to use this one today, and we'll put this one aside for another day, right? Alright, now we went ahead and pat our steak dry, with a paper towel. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil in there, not much, just a little bit. Rub that in. Alright, let's add a little kosher salt at the top. Not much, just a little bit here. And a little bit of black pepper to taste. And a little bit of garlic powder. Alright, now let's pat that in. You can do your edges if you want. Let's flip that over. And we'll put a little oil on this side. Rub that in. Okay, put a little kosher salt. Some black pepper. And some garlic powder. Alright, let's pat that in. Alright, that looks beautiful. Let's flip it back over and see if we missed anything. No, it looks really good. Alright, now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our 8-inch cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to let our pan get smoking hot. Alright, our pan's starting to smoke. Now we're going to take this bacon grease, right? That's what's going to make it taste really, really good. It's going to add a lot of flavor. So let's put some of that in there. Put about a tablespoon in. Melt that bacon fat, right? Now you can use regular bacon fat, just go ahead and render it down in the pan, and it'll make it taste really good. Now we're going to take our delicious looking chuck-eye steak that we seasoned up, and we're going to put that right in there, just like that. Now we're going to sear that about 2 minutes on each side, then we'll go ahead and do our edges. Okay, let's see how we're doing. It's been about 2 minutes. Oh wow, that's good looking. Beautiful. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing on that side. Looking pretty good, guys. Let's go ahead and do our edges. Crisp up that nice fat. Boy, does that smell good, guys. Okay, that's looking really good. Let's go ahead and lower our burner temperature down to medium-low. And we're going to put a couple of garlic cloves in there. And a little bit of rosemary. Okay, let's go ahead and baste our steak. See if I can turn it up a little. Boy, that looks really good, guys. Smells wonderful. Alright, let's flip that over and we'll do the other side. Now this bacon fat or bacon grease that you're using is really going to add a lot of flavor Don't skip this step, because you're going to love this. Okay, now we're going to use one of these, a meat thermometer, and give it a quick check. Let's see where we're at. Okay, let me check our steak. Alright, it's about 128. Perfect. Let's shut off our burner, and let's get that out of there. Because our delicious chuck eye steak is done. Put that right on here, just like this. Look at that steak, guys. That's beautiful. Alright. Let me see if I can put this aside, because I can't wait to get into that, but we're going to cook some eggs. Let's do that. Alright, let's remove this pan. We'll get another pan. Alright, let's bring in another skillet and we'll put that right on the burner. And we're going to set our burner to medium. Alright, and this time we're going to put a little oil in the pan. And we're going to go ahead and crack 3 eggs. And we're going to take our universal lid and we're going to cover them and let them cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, let's check our eggs. Oh, they're done perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Let's shut off our burner. And let's plate them up right next to our nice steak. Beautiful. Alright guys, here's our delicious looking chuck eye steak. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? And I'll bet you that's going to be tender and juicy. Because look at all that juice just sitting right on top there. So let's go ahead and plate that up. Look at that. Alright, let's see if we can get our eggs off of here. Look at them. Don't they look good? And we'll get them right out of here just like this. Put them right next to our steak. Beautiful. Wow guys, doesn't that look delicious? How can you beat this? Steak and eggs for breakfast, guys. And that's going to be tender and juicy. Alright, let's add a little salt to our eggs. And maybe on our steak. And a little bit of pepper on our eggs. And on our steak, right? And I like a little garlic powder on my steak. Makes everything taste good. And some parsley flakes. Put some of them on. Makes everything look pretty. Plus they taste good. Alright, there you have it. Our delicious, tender, juicy, bacon-flavored chuck eye steak and eggs for breakfast. Wow, boy, is this going to be a hearty breakfast. It's going to taste good. Alright, I can't wait to have a taste of that steak, so let's get into a bite. Let's cut a piece right off the end here and see how we did. Now this should be tender and juicy, guys. Oh yeah, that's really tender and juicy. I'm not kidding you either. Look at that. This is beautiful. Let's try to cut another piece here. I don't want to rip it or anything. It's so tender. It's really tender, guys. Alright, let's try a piece of this one right here. Let's see how it is. Let's try a piece. Beautiful. Nice and pink. This is perfectly medium rare, guys, and the crust is going to be good. Alright, let me have a bite. Let's see how it is. That steak is delicious. And boy, is it tender and juicy. You're going to love this. Alright, let's just have a piece with our egg over here, and we'll test our egg yolk here. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Okay. Let's have another bite. Alright. Is that good? Alright, let's cut another piece. That's beautiful, guys. Alright, you know what would go good with this, since we're having this for a delicious breakfast? You may have guessed this one. We're going to have a nice, large cup of coffee. Boy, does that sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious, tender, juicy, bacon-flavored chuck-eye steak. And eggs. That's what's for breakfast today. Boy, does that sound good. Yep, I just gotta have another little taste. Boy, is that tender, guys. Beautiful. Alright, let me have a bite of this one. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright, let me have another bite. That's delicious. I wish you could taste the crust with me because that's really good with that bacon fat. Catch you on the next one.